Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Isdone.dll and Unpack.dll error during COM installation for all big games and Fitgirl Repack games. In this video, seeing before you will begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. Let's go ahead that first step. We should restart your system. So go to that start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then we will continue follow these steps, then it will automatically solve. So next step, run as admin game. So example, I will take Crimson Desert game. So just right click on the game and choose the properties, then go to the camera tab. Then we should select the camera mode. Below we should select the run this program as administrator. Once it's select, then hit the apply and OK to save, then close it. Then relaunch the game, check whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step, Windows security disable. So we need Windows security, so search the Windows security, just click on this application. Then you will go to that virus and networks and click on it. Over here, then click on the manage settings. Then here, if this real time production is turn it on, we will turn it off temporarily. Then close it, then come to back, then go to the next step, then again relaunch the game. After check the whether it is working or not in the game. Still not working, then only then go to the next step, verify game files. So we need Steam. Open the Steam or recheck the your Fitgirl, extract the your game folder. Once it check it, or reinstall that game in Fitgirl folder, game folder. After that, it will have solved this problem. I example so that sometimes you have installed the in Steam. Just verify the go to the library, find and select the game. Just example take it, desert. Comes the desert game. Just right click on it and choose the properties. Then you will go to install files. Then if you have corrupted files or mistake files, just you will click on the verify integer of the game files, click to verify the game files. Once it's done, then close it. After that, it will have solved this problem. And suppose still not working, or if you have any doubt, please subscribe to comment, leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.